This is my review of the Genie Glimpse camera.
Okay, Lowe's has this Genie Glimpse high def 1080 camera that works with Google and Alexa. I don't have either of those products, but it's supposed to work without a hub. It costs $19.99 right now, and I figured it was worth doing a review on because basically you don't need a hub. Works with your Wi-Fi network at home, and then you could look at the images, I guess, and get alerts on your phone. So for $19.99, I thought that was pretty good. So I'm going to do a small review on this, and we'll see what it looks like, if it's worth looking into. So this is the Genie Glimpse camera. It's a stationary camera that's 1080, and you get this in the box.
Okay, there's an optional feature here where if you have a micro SD card, you can actually record during the day and then you can play back when you get home or something, like it has storage. If you don't have the micro SD card, everything is real time. Like if your phone gets an alert, it'll send it to your phone, or if you're watching from your phone or your website, the video, you can record it at that time, but you cannot record it directly to the device. So there's no live recording unless you have a micro SD card.
So you got to download the app, and in my case I have iOS, and this is the app you get, I guess, this Genie app. Okay, I got the app installed. Now I'm going to add a device to the app. Here's the instructions over here too. This app uses 2.4 gigahertz. It apparently doesn't work with 5 gigahertz.
Okay, I got the device to be added, and then I got a recording out of it, like a video and a snapshot. And then I went and tried it again, and then I got this constructing encryption channel failed. And I couldn't get around that, and then I unplugged it and plugged it back in, and I got in again. But then, like, I tried a couple other times, and it wouldn't let me in. So this thing is too flaky. I would not advise buying this Genie Glimpse from Lowe's, and I don't know why Lowe's even sells these things.